Hi everyone. Today we learn to write a short essay in 10 lines on the topic Republic Day. Let's start. First line is Republic Day is one of the national festival of India and it is celebrated on 26 January every year. Second line is Republic Day is a national holiday in India. Third line is on this day in 1950 our constitution came into effect. Fourth line is Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar is the father of the Constitution of India. Fifth line is on this day the President of India hoists the national flag in New Delhi. Sixth line is Republic Day is celebrated with great pomp and show. Seventh line is on this day a parade is organized by the Indian military at Rajpath, Delhi every year. Eighth line is in schools, colleges, government offices and private institutions. The celebration is enjoyed with full enthusiasm. Ninth line is Republic Day is marked with a lot of happiness and patriotism for the country. Tenth line is Republic Day teaches us to live with unity and peace. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and to like and share this video.